Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another project share. And this is another Julie Nutting doll for my layout for my book that I have been working on, that I have showed you guys, and I will show you the complete reveal once I'm finished. I had started this in my 2017 collab, and I am determined to finish it in this 2020 year. And I'm also doing a collab on the first Saturday of the month. We're using a doll, and then we're going to do a challenge, and we have a giveaway that you got to do a response to that challenge the next day, and then we give a giveaway on that Sunday, on that Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. We just did one this past month. But anyway, so I just want to show you that I'm still making pages, and my pages are always diversified. I make different things for my pages, and if you followed my series back in 2017, you know that I often used calendar pages to make my pages. So I love doing them as a creative layout. So this is the doll that I choose for here, Ivy. She's one of the newer ones for me. And there was her different elements. So I did use her, that one, and both the bows in my layout, which you will see in just a second. I also use my old Martha Stewart Cloud Punch and my Martha Stewart Balloon Punch. And this was a quick, simple way to make a layout using your dolls. All you have to do is stamp it out and stuff. I typically get these calendars from the Dollar Tree. I fussy cut images out. I do different things with them. This one I just cut down to size. So, but this is the album, and this is a 2018 album that I used. And so what I did was, I just cut it down to a 9.5 by 11. I said that wrong, a 9 by 12, excuse me, because my binders are 9 by 12. So one of the things that you have with pages, with calendar pages, is you often have a hole right here where they hole punch it. I don't know if you can see that. So what I do is when I cut the page down and I have to cut off the edge, I just take that piece of the strip and put it under the hole so you can't really see the hole. But you know most calendars, because that's how you hang them up. So I fill in the hole so that you don't see that visually. This page was already like a painted page. So what I did was I stamped my girl directly onto the page. I stamped the flowers and the butterflies, and then I went out and I restamped it on white paper. I colored it with my Spectrum Noir markers, and then I cut it fussy cut out, because you know I'm the fussy cut queen, and I glued them down into each one of these spots. And then I used my Martha Stewart punch to make the clouds. I colored them gray and outlined it with black, and I cut out the balloons out of some silver paper and just drew some black lines like she's holding them with a string. And that is what I did. So I just made a quick page, just altered just a little bit on it just to make it call it my own. Added my doll, and it says home, home, and it says sweet right there. So you can see those flowers, butterflies, clouds, the balloons, and the girl. But the rest of the page was done by itself from a calendar page. So that is one of the ways that I alter my calendar pages. And then I just took a black Spectrum Noir marker and went around the edges just to finish off the completeness of it. So hopefully you like that. And again, this will go into my binder. I have fun at making these pages. I think it's really cool. I'm excited to see how it's all going to turn out when it's all done. I will do a reveal of all. I think it's going to be 50 pages that'll be done in the final reveal. So anyway, that's another quick way that you can do a background, is to just alter it like that. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.